What a f***ing wanker.
Christmas song from Johnny Mathis.
Oh, here we go. Waving wanker at me. Will now follow me right up the arse. Because I won't let him in. Who's the wanker? Not me, is he? Threatening me, driving right up my arse. We'll ring the police. Wanker.
Right up his arse, look at that. He's going to speed off now.
Stop at the red traffic lights.
Oh no, he's going to undertake him first. To get around him to then...
Undertaking was illegal.
Oh, yeah, it's not the best. But I don't know what all the big fuss was about, because he's going to have to wait at a red light anyway.
It's been a dick.
Well, you know, whatever.
Dick of the Day Award.
A few moments later.
Oh, this Burke's in completely the wrong lane. Yep. Oh.
Right. Oh, completely wrong lane.
What a bell.
Like that version of it, that's slow, but that's still, I get a big kick out of that. You can imagine, because even slow like that and shuffly, I think they call it, it's got a syncopation. I get a kick.
Oh, BMW, no indicators.
Straight to that red light. A little bit.
December 2017.
Oh yeah, you like a bus, don't you?
Three means. First, a comprehensive future relationship between the EU and the UK.
Nice one.
Second,
Sneak up the bus lane and then shoot in front of me.
the absence of agreed solutions. Regulatory.
A few moments later.
The point I'm making is that from the European point of view, their lines are
Up again.
Irish. Mrs. May
Using the bus
on
lane.
The outside of this, but she has got something. It looks
What a
like,
dick.
certainly from the way the Irish are appearing.
Are you serious? You dick.
We're going.
He was ready just to go there.
What?
Dickhead.
Dickhead. Dickhead.
Fucking idiot!
As I say, a little bit later in the show. Right,
Oh,
7:22. Your views
Just
on
what I
universal
needed,
credit
a bit of Red Bull.
and the trust with the.
Red
Right there, you dickhead. Oh, of course, sir. I used to have one when I was a teenager.
Imran Mustafa Kamel.
Oh, we're going to run it! Are we going to run it? Are we going to run it? Are we going to run it?
That's a new
Yes, we did!
the case against
I didn't know, that was an amber, technically.
Tickets have just gone on sale for the...
What the hell are you doing? What the fuck? I think you got that a little bit wrong. Brilliant. Fantastic.
A few moments later.
Wish I could hop on and hop off as I
Ta-da! So you don't need to put the sound effect on that one.
No, thanks.
Just £7 guy, yeah.
£7?
Yeah, £7, yeah. He's a 6-seater, yeah.
You not put the meter on?
No, you take a small car, mate, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, love it, love it. Yeah, love it. Not put the meter on that one.
Francois was saying earlier, they've got plenty of plans now. There's Canada Plus, Canada Plus Plus Plus, Norway Minus, Lithuania.
Pretty sure you shouldn't be doing a U-turn.
But that's only happened recently. That
Another
wasn't
U-turn
during the referendum in 2016. Adam, thank you. 0345 606.
Listen, you're in a Porsche, not the road. Jesus.
Oh shit. Looks like Arsenal Avenue's claimed another victim. Oh, it's broken glass everywhere.